Hey everybody, this is Lorelia, and today I want to talk about a subject that no one wants to talk about. I call it the pink elephant in the room, and it has to do with money. Now, you may be wondering, okay, Lorelia, a large portion of your videos are about credit. Where does money come into this conversation? The last YouTube live that I did, I talked about cryptocurrency, and I talked about how many banks who are also in the business of lending money have now cut ties with saying you cannot use your credit card as a form of investing in cryptocurrency and that type of commodity investment, whatever the title that cryptocurrency gives itself. And when I did that live, I talked about why credit is not a standalone subject matter that you have to master. You have to understand how the monetary system works as well. And so why am I talking about money today? Recently, just this Monday, in my class, in the online class that I do on Monday nights, the private class, you want to learn more, the link will be below this video. Is the Credit to Cash Flow program. In the class, we talked about business credit. Individuals who are in this class are interested in learning how they can leverage, how debt can be used as a leveraging tool to create cash flow for yourself. And I raised a question about how much income is your business bringing in, because let me just say this before I say because. No one wanted to answer that question. And so my answer to that response of it being silent is that business credit is not a substitute for you not for you not trying to figure out or master how your business is going to bring in income. You know, I always like to say business credit is an added bonus. It's money to have on the side in case you need it. Maybe you want to expand your business. Maybe you want to jumpstart your business. Maybe you want to inject some cash into your business. But it should not be a means of survival for your business, because the survival of your business is strongly reliant on you being able to bring customers or clients income and money, cash, moolah, whatever you want to call it, into your business. And what happens is that a lot of people want to lean on, I'm just concentrating on bringing in business credit. That is a very failing, I don't want to use the word failing, but it's not a substitute. It's not a substitute for you to really concentrate on what you really need to do. Now, don't get me wrong. Yes, business credit, debt can be used as a ways to create cash flow for your business, to expand, to invest, or what have you. But it's not a substitute to really zero in and hone into what you really need to focus on, which is the income of your business. Just like I spoke about earlier part of this video about the cryptocurrency and the credit. You know, this video is not to talk about should you invest in cryptocurrency, should you not. It's enough information out there on the internet, YouTube, for you to make that decision. But it was a conversation when I did that video to say, what do your personal financials look like? What type of income are you bringing in? Are you just hoping that if you invest in a particular commodity, cryptocurrency being the choice that I use for that video, that you are hoping that, you know, and when I say hoping, wishing upon a star, that it is going to magically turn into money. That's the same with business credit. Are you just magically thinking that if you were to invest into not invest, if you were to accumulate some business credit, trade lines, lines of credit, what have you, some way that is going to magically boost the revenue in your business. It is supposed to grow your business by leaps and bounds. And no, it does not. It does not. So my point of this video is, it's now time to have a very mature conversation about money when it comes to your personal finances and business finances. Many people are very eager. I gotta get credit. I want business credit. I want personal credit. I'm here to tell you, getting credit's not hard. They're giving money away. It is not hard. And the reason why I say it's not hard, because these lending institutions know more about you than you know about yourself. They know that even if you rebuild your credit, even if you get out of that low place of bad credit, low credit, no credit, whatever that may be, and you climb out of that hole and you do increase your credit, that and you increase your credit score, that you will go back. You will go back into that place. And the reason why I know this is because even with the lines of credit that I have in credit cards, I'm bombarded on a daily basis of we want to extend you this credit. We want to do this. My credit lines go up, without me even applying for new credit. Because why? Because that's how they make money. That is how they make money. Going back to the cryptocurrency and credit video that I did, these lending institutions know that if these individuals who are having problems with their credit, and they not that they're having problems, they are money short, and they are now trying to leverage their credit to get into investing in a commodity that has a lot of uncertainties. And in the event that those uncertainties do not pan out like the way that they want, they not gonna pay their bills. They just not. And of course that can go with anything, but that they know for certain. So it's time to have a more mature conversation. If you are somebody who is interested to learn more, to have more of an in-depth conversation, to now say, you know what, I want to break free of the not understanding this credit, this credit spider web, and you want to learn how, and you want to be able to now leverage the information that you know to create bigger and better things for yourself, you need to be in that class. I hold this class every Monday. It's a private class. You will not see this information on YouTube. I do not do live streams on it. It's personal class. It's up close and personal with myself, talking about your personal credit, assisting you with building business credit. I'm a big advocate of teaching you how to fish. And so you need to be in this class. Like I said, you can be in this class by rebuilding your personal credit, then leveraging your personal credit to some bigger and better things. And I look forward to teaching you and sharing more information with you. Like I said, the link will be underneath this video. And that's all I have for today. Talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.